Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Could I know your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Nusrat Jahan Mohana, but you can call me by my nickname, which is Mohana.
Where are you from?
I am from Faridpur. It is famous for its delicious sweets, sugarcane, and jute.
What's your future plan?
I want to be a doctor and serve poor people and make them healthy.
How many family members do you have?
I have four members in my family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. We live together in Mirpur, Dhaka.
Could I know about your father?
My father is a non-government service holder. He works at a resort, which name is Kollal Resort. It's located in Amin Bazar.
And mother?
My mother is a housewife. She takes care of our house, makes delicious food for us.
Where's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it is both calm and strong at the same time. I like wearing blue clothes.
Do you love reading books and why?
Yes, I like reading books because from books we can learn many teachers and we can get many decisions from it.
Do you love watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies a lot. Basically, I like to watch Hindi movies, also Bengali movies too.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend. Her name is Bhumika Pal. We are from different religion, but we are really good friends. She is kind and always takes care of me.
What's the name of your school?
My school name is Mirpur Government High School. I recently completed my SSC examination from this school.
Where's your CGPA?
I got GPA 5 in my SSC examination.
Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook sometimes when I get free time.
Right now, you are living in Dhaka City.
Yes.
So, where's the main cause of Dhaka City, or where's the main problems in Dhaka City?
Basically, I leave Dhaka for my study and my brother's studies, and there are lot of pollution like air pollution. When I leave, there are a lot of sound pollution. That's a really problem for me. There are a lot of traffic jam. When I go somewhere, it took only 5 minutes, but because of traffic jam, it will be 1 hour too.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
No, I don't have time to go Cox Bazar. That's why I don't go Cox Bazar.
Do you have plan to go Cox's Bazar very soon?
Yes, I want to go Cox Bazar very soon. In next year, 1 year.
Could you tell me something about your home district?
My home district is Faridpur. It is famous for its beautiful rivers and many agriculture products like jute, sugarcane, etc. Many people visit it for its beautiful.
Do you have any plan to go abroad for higher study?
Get a chance, I want to go abroad for my study. My dream country is Turkey.
Why?
Because it is a Muslim country. That's why I like it very much.
Right now, you are going to complete your spoken course.
Yes.
And where's your opinion about Rahat's English here?
Rahat's English care inspired me a lot for spoken English. In the beginning, I was shy and nervous, but day by day, I become more confident. I am truly thankful to Rahat's English care for guiding me in spoken English.
Do you listen podcasts or others videos for improving your listening?
Yes, I listen it every day for improving my English.
What kind of listening do you listen?
Basically, I see your YouTube speaking test for I will do IELTS test.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you. And there is a book named Spoken Fighter. And
Yes,
what
sir.
will you say about Spoken Fighter?
It is a really good book. I read it every day. It's a really nice book, I think.
Thank you very much. And now more today. So where's your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Mohana.
Mohana. What should I call you?
You can call me by my nickname, which is Mohana.
Mohana. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.